Alright, this is the assembly process for the Self-Impelled Dust Shoe for the Snapmaker 200W CNC module. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the old cover, or the original cover. It's 4 screws, and it's done using the Snapmaker tool. This cover is aesthetic and for purposes of maintaining a clean environment inside of the housing. There we go. Same screws go back in. Need to be snug, do not over tighten. Make sure you clean your print after you're done. Alright, so now it's mounted. Alright, so good seal. The holes still allow for ventilation. The way that the impeller has been designed, there are now vanes that will perfectly align with those to provide good suction. So the next step would be to place the impeller in place. You might have to wiggle it a little so that it locks properly. Alright, and then once that's done, this piece locks in, and that's it, ready to go.